We're here to eat dicks.
I'll take a dick.
Sex toys.
Yeah, sex toys.
So here we go.
So which one first?
Okay, calm down now. Let's start off with the candy nipple tassels. How does that sound?
How does it sound? It sounds confusing.
So have you ever had any edible sex toys before? I've always been curious about it, so this is actually gonna be...
These are like, I don't know if my nipples are strong enough. It's very
Imagine
arousing.
me naked.
Do you want... Oh, I don't need to imagine it, bro. Oh, these are already like coming off too. So if you're swinging your things, there's gonna be projectiles coming off.
It just doesn't look very sexy.
I've worn a bra once.
So you kind of know what you're getting into.
A little bit.
So here, give me these ones. Yeah.
I feel pretty.
You should.
Ooh. It'd be kind of sexy to see someone wearing this.
I think that'd be fun, yeah.
Because it's like a see-through bra.
Exactly.
But like, I wouldn't look at them and be like, oh, I can't wait to eat all that.
You know what? This is not the weirdest thing I've done on camera. You may. Oh, that's...
It's really hard to bite off.
Why don't we move on to dickerish?
If you like licorice, you'll love dickerish.
This thing sells itself.
Realistically sized.
You just popped it right in your mouth, didn't you?
Ow.
Ow. It gets in your teeth.
It's really hard.
Yep. Well,
This is way too hard for gummy candy.
Definitely not flaccid gummy.
It's still chewing on the same piece of dick.
340 calories.
Yeah, 46 grams of sugar. That's a lot. These dicks will make you fat.
there should be a black licorice option as well.
I do like licorice, and I do not like dickerish.
Oh, man. Maybe I should really fill it up my mouth.
All right.
I'm guessing these are flavored condoms.
Oh, banana. I'll try banana.
Why don't I try?
It's like a little strawberry.
I'll try strawberry. Do you think this is what the focus groups are like?
I'm gonna try apple.
Okay.
Oh God, it's all f***ing glooby.
Yeah, we knew that was gonna happen.
Yeah, I know.
Why do I unroll the whole thing? Oh, okay.
This one tastes good. It actually tastes good.
I mean, it tastes better than a regular condom.
Yeah, for rubber,
Not bad.
it's not bad.
Okay, this is called Sex Tart Strawberry Punch Tangy Lube for Lovers.
One taste of the lip smacking, super tangy fruit flavor, and you'll never want to stop licking, slipping, and sliding your way to mouth-watering ecstasy.
Water-based formula won't stain fabric.
That's
Did you know?
Yeah.
Your sheets won't need washing.
They'll
Or
probably
will they?
they'll need washing.
It's like medicine. Ooh, it is tangy.
It's got like a medical aftertaste, though.
Oh God, that's terrible.
That's really sour.
It is really sour.
I don't like this.
But like lube is like, I don't know. Like, how often do you actually use lube? All right, boy butter.
Okay, remember, this stuff we can't eat.
I'm still getting that chemical aftertaste.
Is this right? I mean, it's definitely soft. I could
Yeah?
use this as a lotion potentially.
Okay, is this like lotion?
Yeah, it's
Oh.
lotion.
It is creamy. I'll give it that. The taste, no good.
Chocolate fantasy, cafe mocha body topping.
It smells good. But how would you use it?
I mean,
You just lather it on
sure.
and then lick it off?
I don't think there's a bad way to use it.
Okay, so we got mocha, we got raspberry, almond, meatloaf.
Meat. Oh,
No, strawberry.
That's okay. I don't really have interest in pouring chocolate over someone's body.
Yeah, it's just a lot of work.
Maybe we're
again.
just really boring.
I could put this on my waffles and pancakes.
Yeah, you could put it on your pancakes or your fleshy pancakes. This, to me, is like they just made chocolate and then put fantasy on it.
I know, yeah, I agree. And they don't even have a cool description on the back. Where's the fun in it?
Yeah, there's no tagline.
You gotta read like the description to your partner, you laugh about it, and then you test it out.
Yeah, that's like foreplay, reading.
So mine basically tastes like chocolate syrup. Why wouldn't you just use chocolate syrup if you...
Yeah, honestly.
I would say overall, I think I would hope that the sex industry ups its food game.
Well, thank you so much for
Thank you,
joining
guys.
us on this adventure. I had fun, but I could not have asked for a better partner than this.
Hey, thanks, man.